Okay, it's been 10 minutes and we've been letting this soak, and I've been holding it here for a little bit, running some of this excess cleaner off. And as you can see, we've had some dirt and chunks, so it probably did need cleaned. There's only a little bit in here. It's really hard to see, but it's kind of pulled down there. But now that this has had 10 minutes, it's still pretty well coated in that cleaner. We are going to turn on the water and rinse this off. Now, importantly, K&N instructs you when you do this to take your water from a source that's not high pressure. So you do not want to be using a pressure spray or anything like that to clean these off. I will turn on my faucet in my sink and let it run like that. I think that's pretty fine. The other important thing is K&N filters are all directional filters, directional flow. So what that means is that the air flows through one side from the outside of your car and then in through the other side into your intake. So you always want to rinse from your intake side to your intake side should be the side that gets rinsed out. So wherever your car's coming into, or your filter's coming to air from the outside of the car, that should be the side that you're not running water through. You want to run through the side that's running into your car. So on my car, the filter installs this way, flat, just like this, and this side is the air going into the engine. This side is what the outside gets, and you can even tell looking at it, this is where all the dirt and grime is. So we're going to be rinsing through this side, and they say to rinse for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. You want to get all the cleaner off, and then you'll see some of the oil start to strip off. So you'll know as this filter starts to get a little bit more of a kind of like off-white color that you're getting there. But I mean, if not, sometimes after you do these a couple times, the red ink does stain a little bit since the oil is red. So we're going to rinse this off and then let it sit. You have to let it fully naturally dry before you can apply oil. If you don't, you're going to have a nightmare and the filters are going to come apart. So we're going to turn on this water and rinse her off. And I like to rinse kind of like in this manner, just slowly up and down the rows. As you can see there, a little bit of that oil every time is coming off of this, as is all the dirt and grime. And then you can see at the bottom, when I get to the bottom, the red ink from that oil is kind of piling up right there as it comes out. That's a good sign. We want that. We want the old oil coming off because we're going to be applying new oil. The old oil is obviously going to trap all of those sediments and particles from the road. I mean, you'll get tons of stuff in this filter, and that'll help clean it out. Anything from road debris to bugs, whole bunch of stuff. Okay, I'm going to keep rinsing out this filter, and then we'll come back when I'm ready to reapply the oil.